In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio crackling sound in Cyberpunk 2077. So first, you want to go here onto the sound, right click, sound settings, go down. You're going to see the place where it says input and click on your microphone. Here, what you're going to do is just lower the sound. So you want to move this all the way to here or here. If you have it all the way to the max, this could cause like some crackling, and it could cause some unnecessary background noise as well. So it's recommended that you lower this all the way over here, and to the place where it says format, select 2-channel 24-bit and then 48,000 hertz. After that, you obviously want to check if you have the microphone selected. So if you go here, you will make sure that the name under the microphone is the correct one. So if you had multiple microphones connected, make sure this is the correct one, and then this should fix it.